In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Cypher Pattern on Tradingview quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a Cypher Pattern to your chart, adjust it, and customize the way it looks so it fits your trading style. First, open up your Tradingview chart. You can use any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is open, look to the upper left side of the screen. This is where your main drawing tools and indicators are located. In that upper left toolbar, find the section for patterns. It usually looks like an icon grouped with other drawing tools. Click on that patterns icon to open the list of available pattern tools. From that list, select the Cypher Pattern tool. This tells Tradingview that the next clicks you make on the chart will define the Cypher Pattern points. Now, move your cursor over the chart and create your first point with a click. This will be the starting point of your pattern. Then, click again to create your second point. Try to follow a clear swing in price so the pattern makes sense visually. Next, set your third point, again following the natural move of the market. After that, click to create your fourth point and finally your fifth point. As you place these 5 points, Tradingview will automatically draw the cipher structure for you, connecting the lines and shading the pattern. Once the pattern is drawn, take a moment to explain to yourself what this cipher pattern is showing on your chart. In general, cipher patterns are used to identify potential reversal zones and possible areas where price might react. They can help you visualize structure, measure risk, and plan entries and exits more clearly. If a point isn't exactly where you want it, you can move or adjust any of the points at any time. Just click and drag the anchors to fine-tune the pattern so it lines up better with your price swings. You can also customize the appearance. Click on the pattern to bring up its options, then choose templates if you want to save or apply a specific style. You can change the line color, the background color of the pattern, and even the text color for labels so it stands out on your chart. Adjust the line tool width to make the borders thinner or thicker depending on how visible you want them to be. For more detailed options, click on Settings. Here you can manage visibility, coordinates, and other properties. If you're happy with the placement and don't want to accidentally move it, click on Lock to keep it fixed in place. If you no longer need the pattern, click on Remove and it will be deleted from your chart. You'll also see 3 dots or a More menu which gives you additional quick actions like duplicating the tool or managing its settings faster. To wrap up, remember that the Cypher Pattern on Tradingview is simply a tool to help you visually organize price action and highlight potential reversal zones. It doesn't guarantee outcomes, but when combined with your own analysis, it can be a powerful way to add structure and clarity to your trading decisions.